a great few months at UNI, and we're excited to share this report with you of all our work that's happened between November to Jan. I'm just going to quickly run you through three of our key projects and all that's happened in that. I'll start off with UNI Teach. It's been a very interesting few months where we've spent a lot of time investing into our volunteer teachers because they really are our frontline soldiers who impact the kids. We've had training for the leaders of our volunteers and also for our committed volunteers, and we had about nearly 225 of them come together on different days and really soak in the culture of UNI and how really we can impact the kids the best way possible. We even started 2 new learning centers, one actually inside a slum, so it's extremely interesting, hardcore social work where the volunteers get to interact with the kids in a slum, and we started a partnership with an organization called Parinam. In UNI Care, we managed to start a play school because for the children who are profoundly it's a great thing to see that our profoundly challenged kids who are not engaged before are now being engaged on a daily basis by our assistant carers. They've been doing some great work. They had a great Christmas party, and we're really looking forward to all the changes we want to see happen in 2014 at UNI Care. For UNI Rise, there were 2 things that happened. One was we got to talk to the employees of Volvo IT and really encourage and inspire them to get involved. And the second thing we got to do was 2 events with Opus, which is a local restaurant, and with Accelerate, who are India's largest sports arena. And just to see them both come together and really support UNI is extremely encouraging. So on behalf of all of our volunteers, all of our team here at UNI, I want to say a big thank you to you for supporting in UNI, for believing in the work we do, and for really believing that the kids that we work with can achieve their dreams.